Once I have my kick laid down, the next step is to quantize it, make sure that's on point with the rest of the track. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go into my beat detective and highlight my track. Once I've highlighted my track, I'm gonna go to region separation, capture the selection, and analyze it. Once I've analyzed it, it's gonna show these little lines in front of each kick. Once it's at the right where I want it to chop up, all the lines are in the right place, I just press separate and I'll separate them. The next step is to conform it by capturing the selection one more time and conforming it. So what I'll do right now is take the first 2 bars and just duplicate it by pressing Apple D, and let's listen to it.